You know, getting a great job in tech these days, it's about way more than just a degree. It's really about proving you can step in and make a difference from day one. So in this explainer, we're going to break down what it really takes to build a career that matters in this super competitive industry. So what does it take? I mean, this is the question that stumps a ton of people, right? Whether you're fresh out of school or you've been around a while and you're looking for a change, what are these top tech companies actually looking for? Well, the answer might be a little different than you think.
Look, a degree is awesome. It's a great foundation. But it's not the whole story, not even close. There's this huge gap between what you learn in a classroom and the real-world practical skills you need to hit the ground running. And closing that gap, well, that's the absolute key to unlocking your career.
We actually have a name for this, the production-ready problem. You know that feeling? You understand the theory from the book, but then someone asks you to push code to a live server that millions of people use. And suddenly, all that theory feels a million miles away. This is, without a doubt, the biggest hurdle for so many people trying to break into tech. Okay, so if this is such a huge common problem, what's the fix? How do you solve it? Well, today we're going to take a look at one company, Code, that has basically built its entire model around tackling this exact issue. Think of them as a case study for what really works.
And their whole mission is to be that bridge, the one that takes you from just learning stuff to actually earning a living with it. Instead of just throwing theory at you, they're laser-focused on closing that gap between what you know and what you can do to get hired and promoted.
And this right here, this is the end goal. This is what they call a next-gen tech professional. And just look at these skills. You can see why this is so incredibly valuable. DevSecOps isn't just coding. It's building security in from the very beginning. Kubernetes, that's the gold standard for managing massive applications. And cloud skills in Azure and AWS are pretty much non-negotiable today. This whole package, this is what companies are desperate to find.
So how do you actually build one of these next-gen professionals? You can't just read about it. It all comes down to a really dedicated, hands-on method. And when you look at it, you see it's a whole ecosystem. It's not just one thing. It's a complete cycle. The daily practice, that's how you build technical muscle memory. The real projects give you something real to show off. Mock interviews get you ready for the hot seat. And then you have feedback, mentorship, and networking to guide you and connect you. It's the whole shebang, designed to cover every single base.
And this is probably the most crucial part. It gets right to the heart of what makes this so different. You're not just doing homework assignments. You're working in a Scrum team, just like you would at a real tech company, feeling the same pressures and learning to collaborate to get things done. This is where the real learning happens.
You know, this quote from the founder, Murali Dhulam, it just nails it. It really sums up the entire philosophy. Everything they do is pointed at this one single-minded goal, making you production ready.
Okay, it's a great mission. It sounds fantastic. But does it actually work? Let's dig into the numbers, the proof that this approach gets results.
First off, this whole thing is built on a solid foundation. We're talking over 22 years of real deal, in-the-trenches experience in the tech industry. That means everything you learn is based on what's actually happening right now, not what was happening 5 years ago.
And that kind of expertise, well, it gets noticed. It's pulled in a massive community of over 5,000 learners, and get this, from 11 different countries. That's a huge global reach.
And listen, this isn't some new thing they're just trying out. They've run this playbook over 94 times, 94 different groups of students. That's some serious experience and refinement right there.
So, what's the result of all that? Well, you get an active alumni community of over 1,000 members. And let me tell you, having a network like that in your corner for advice, support, and opportunities, that's a powerful, powerful thing.
All right, so we've walked through the problem, we've looked at a powerful method for solving it, and we've seen the proof. So now, let's bring it all back to you, your path, your future in tech.
So when you see this become a next-gen tech professional, you got to understand it's way more than just a catchy slogan. It's really an invitation to become exactly the kind of well-rounded, skilled pro that the modern tech world is starving for.
At the end of the day, becoming that production-ready professional all comes down to one thing, closing that gap between knowing something and actually doing it. So the only real question left for you is, are you ready to stop just learning and start building?